Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your investment decisions with Morgan Stanley, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of protecting your investment decisions is crucial for any beginner. Start by researching Morgan Stanley's investment philosophy and the services they offer. Visit their official website to explore the range of investment options available. Create an account on their platform to gain access to personalized investment tools and resources. Schedule a consultation with a Morgan Stanley financial advisor to discuss your investment goals. Prepare a list of questions and topics to cover during your consultation. During the meeting, be open about your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Ask the advisor about different investment strategies that align with your goals. Request information on asset allocation to ensure a balanced investment portfolio. Inquire about the fees associated with their services so you can make an informed decision. Take notes during the consultation to capture important information and insights. After the meeting, review the materials and advice provided by your advisor. Make a list of potential investments based on your advisor's recommendations. Conduct further research on these investments to understand their risks and rewards. Consider diversifying your investments to mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations. Set a budget for your investments and stick to it to avoid overspending. Monitor your portfolio regularly and stay updated on market trends and news. Schedule follow-up meetings with your advisor to revisit your investment strategy as needed. Utilize the educational resources available on the Morgan Stanley platform to enhance your investment knowledge. Stay disciplined and patient, remembering that investing is a long-term journey. Regularly reassess your financial goals to ensure your investment strategy remains aligned. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.